Hello everyone, today I will be teaching you how to download the VirtualBox into your computer. First, you go to the website named corevirtualbox.org where you can download the VirtualBox freely. Then you click on download. After that, you can choose the platform that can be suitable for your computer, so I will be choosing the Windows host. Then you click Save File. It's downloading here, so it may take a few seconds. So you here, right, open up, and then right click, and you click on open containing folder. So here you will see your VirtualBox. So let's run, double click. And then you click next. You click on next again, and it's asking you to select. So it's already select here, so you click next. Then you say yes, proceed with install now. So you say yes, and then you click install. This may take a few minutes, so we have to wait. And it's proceeding, so we have to wait a few minutes. And then here they ask whether you would like to install this device software, and then you click install, and soon the process will be finished. So here, start Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation. So after that, you click on finish. After that, this this one will pop up in your screen, so it's mean that you finish installing the Oracle VirtualBox in your computer. Thank you for watching.